can't believe that you're that mean. Rules are rules. I'm out of here. This class is going to be a little bit different than your traditional class. It's not going to be so much like this, but we're going to flip it upside down. We're going to switch things around. Instead of sitting in class and listening to a lecture for 45 minutes and then going home and trying to do homework and getting lost and stuck and not knowing what to do, instead, we're going to put all of the lectures on the web. That way, you can watch them whenever you want, wherever you want, in whatever kind of conditions are comfortable for you, at the time that is convenient for you. And then we'll come to class and we'll do our homework. We'll do the problems, maybe alone, maybe together in a group, maybe with a teacher. Now this is a pretty dramatic change in class, so why should we do it? Well, the biggest reason is so that the teacher can spend more time with each student. I have had parent-teacher conferences where the parent has asked, what exactly is the weakness that my student has? And honestly, I had no idea. So this way, I can meet with each individual student and see exactly what they need and where they're at. Students can get help at any time that they need it. When you're doing your homework, you are doing it in a classroom full of other students and with the teacher right next to you. So when you get stuck, you can immediately turn to somebody and get some help. You are never completely lost and alone. Students never get behind due to absences. If you are sick, if you are having a doctor's appointment, you can log in, you can see the lessons on your iPhones, and you can stay right with the class. Students can adjust the class to better fit their pace. You can use that pause button to stop the lesson at any time and finish writing down notes. You can rewind and hear something again. You can see the whole lesson again. We don't have textbooks in this class. No big heavy things to lug around. You just have little individual chapter packets. And on the front of the packet, we have the middle column where you have the class time activity for each day. Another column to show you what you should be working on each night. And then another column to show you what is due each morning. Homework is going to be done in a slightly different way. We're going to be going to Skyward. If you go to the left-hand side of the Skyward page, you will see a link that has the homework assignments. You click on that and you'll be met with a whole bunch of multiple choice true-false matching questions. You just click on the appropriate answers and hit submit. The computer will automatically grade your assignment and put it into the grade book right away. You won't be able to see the right answers until the paper is actually due, and then you can log in and see the right ones. Tests are half of your grade, which can cause you to have a little bit of stress about the whole thing. But let me say this, you can retake tests. That's right, you can erase an old grade and replace it with a retaken test grade. There are some things to remember though about retaking tests. First of all, the retake will always be different than the original test. It can be done in class at any time, or you can also come in early and do it in the mornings. Whenever you take a test again, the old score is always lost and you always keep the newest score. But if you get a real low score the second time, you can do it again. You can do it multiple times until you get the score that you like. That's the end of this introduction video. Now, let's have a good start to the school year.